In today's video, I will teach you how to design your own dog grooming brand logo in Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva, and in the home page, type in the keyword logo on the search bar if you would like to customize one of the thousands of available logo templates in Canva's template library. To choose the right design for you, you can simply enable some of the filters on the sidebar to narrow down your choices. Canva offers different styles for your brand such as minimalist, simple, modern, and more. You can also choose the color scheme that you would like to use for your logo. You can also start from scratch by clicking on the Create a Design button at the top panel and click on the Custom Size option, then input your desired width and height. I highly suggest using a 1:1 ratio as it is a standard size for logos, but if you have a more specific design in mind, you can freely input the width and the height of your choice. And once you've opened your canvas or template, you can now customize your logo based on your preferred design. If you would like to be more precise with your work, you can enable the guidelines, print bleeds, and margin on the File tab. To add images and brand elements, you can simply open the Uploads tab to import images from your computer. You also have the option to make some adjustments and apply filter onto your photos by clicking on the Edit Image button at the top panel. Here, you can adjust the brightness, contrast, and saturation of the illustration, and you can also apply filter onto it. Just play around with the settings until you're satisfied. In case of the elements, you can add illustrations and graphics from the Elements tab. Simply search the keyword for different types of elements, and in case of your dog grooming business, Canva has a vast collection of elements under the dog grooming keyword. To customize the color scheme of the illustrations, you can edit the color scheme on the top panel. Lastly, to add text, simply open the Text tab and select which type of text you would like to make, or simply use the text combination presets in Canva's text library. And on the top panel, you can change the font style, font size, and the color of the text. To save your work, you can simply click on the Share button at the upper right side of the screen and select Download and choose the right format for your file. I highly recommend either using PNG or JPG as a file format. And you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.